Are you looking for the best mini trampoline? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best mini trampoline on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Galt Nursery Toddler Trampolines with handle for ages 1+. Galt Nursery Toddler Trampoline is one of the best toddler trampolines suitable for children with the age as low as 12 months and up to 4 years. It is a mini trampoline exclusively designed for toddlers, featuring a tortoise design with attractive colors. Bouncing on it with the little baby feet could be a source of great enjoyment for toddlers. A child's trampoline with handle is the safest choice you can make. It has adequate safety considerations as it is meant for little babies. There are slip-proof rubber feet and a safety pad. It is also a toddler trampoline with a handlebar along with a rubber grip. It meets American, British, Canadian, and European standards for toy safety. This toddler mini trampoline can provide enough stimulation for a child's body and also sort of train the baby in balancing its body, develop coordination, and build confidence. It is much sturdy for a toddler and can handle a weight of 44 pounds. It weighs 7.7 pounds, and the diameter is 27.5 inch. This cute outdoor/indoor trampoline for toddlers is an excellent device to help the kid develop and maintain its health. Number 2. Marcy Trampoline Cardio Trainer with handle ASG40. Marcy is a well-known brand founded by the AAU Heavyweight Lifting Championship winner Walter Markien. The Marcy Cardio Trainer is a mini trampoline suitable for both men and women for their workout needs. Whether it is cardio exercise, building muscle mass, or strengthening the shoulder, hip, and leg muscles, this is your best bet. It is compact and portable, facilitating easy storage and transportation. It has 6 supporting legs and is designed to handle up to 250 pounds. Being a big name in gym equipment and adult trampolines, you can be assured of the high-quality materials. It is 21 pounds in weight and the shipping weight is 23 pounds. It has a central handle frame to increase stability and safety. It helps in good coordination. The foam covering gives you a sufficient grip. It can be removed if not required. It also comes with a covering pad so that you can go on with all your cardio and aerobic workouts safely. The mini trampoline offers excellent rebound and is soft on your joints. Number 3. DARCHEN 450 pounds. Mini trampoline for adults. The DARCHEN mini trampoline looks deceptively simple, but it is so rugged that it can support as high as 450 pounds working weight and 500 pounds of dead weight. This is something most mini trampolines cannot offer. It is a soft Rebounds type trampoline and hence comfortable for knee joints. The jumping mat is 28 inch in diameter and is black in color with a concentric strip of a different color. It is available in 2 different color strip options with codes red, which looks pink, and green. The pink mini trampoline is no different from the green one in characteristics. The only difference is in the color. The polypropylene jumping mat can guarantee 1,000,000+ jumps. It is also easy to clean. The mini trampoline is sturdy and highly stable with 6 heavy-duty steel legs that prevent it from tipping. The frame can easily support whether you do a light exercise or an intense workout. It is perfect for losing weight, shaping your body, and performing any other rebounding workout. It is a great way for kids to have fun. Number 4. SportPlus Unisex Quiet Miniature Indoor Rebounder with Height Adjustable Bar. SportPlus Unisex is yet another mini trampoline with handle that can be adjusted. This indoor trampoline is loved by many. The foam-clad handle can be easily detached if not required. The handle height also can be adjusted between 33 inch and 47, which makes it suitable for all members of the family irrespective of their heights. The non-slip material gives you enough safety and comfort. Another commendable feature is that it is notably quiet thanks to the bungee cords used to fasten the trampoline bed to the frame. You can use it anytime without disturbing anyone. This Rebounder mini trampoline can support up to 286 pounds easily. The rubber bushes of the feet give you enough comfort while rebounding. You can enjoy your cardio without hurting your joints. The shipping weight of the item is just 30 pounds and its base dimensions are 43.7 inches by 48.8 inches. Number 5. Wamkos 2020 Upgraded Dinosaur Mini Child's Trampoline with Handle, Foldable. Wamkos 2020 is a mini trampoline with a bunch of attractive features. By design as well as appearance, it best suits to be categorized among small trampolines for kids. Unlike indoor trampoline for kids, this one can be used outdoors also and has a washable safety pad. The mat features an attractive dinosaur design and the safety pad has a woodland camo design. It is sturdy for jumping exercise and can be an excellent gift that helps a kid's development. The 220 pounds weight capacity makes it also suitable for heavier kids and even some adults. It can be easily folded in half and carried around as it is just 18 pounds in weight. It is also compact for storage. The assembly or disassembly hardly takes a minute and no tools are required. It provides great safety for kids with no springs, fasteners, or any visible parts. Besides, the handlebar clad with foam for additional support gives extra stability. The safety pad is made of eco-friendly, non-toxic material. The mat functions noiselessly and has excellent bounce capacity that makes it an exciting trampoline bed for kids. All kids like to have a mini trampoline and inflatable water park. Number 6. BCAN 38 Fitness Mini Trampoline. The first thing you notice about the BCAN Mini Trampoline is its simple design. However, it is one of the rugged trampolines by structure capable of handling up to 300 pounds of weight. It can be used as an indoor trampoline or in your garden. It has a two-step folding design and also has retractable legs which make it the perfect portable trampoline. It can easily fit into your car trunk or under the bed. For safety, it has a covering pad so you don't need to be scared of getting your feet caught in the springs. This is a mini trampoline that also offers you a silent rebounding. While it can be used for the workout of adults, it also offers a comfortable rebounding experience when used as a kid's jumper. A point worth mentioning is that this mini trampoline is also one of the cheapest models available in the market. You can also find trampolines with enclosure online. So, if you are on the lookout for a trampoline that gives good performance with the basic functions, look no further. It provides good value for money with a high-quality steel frame. Number 7. Leaps and Amp Rebounds Rebounder. The Leaps and Amp Rebounds mini trampoline uses bungee cords instead of springs. The safety pad covering the cords keep your feet protected from getting trapped in the cords. The pad is available in 3 color choices, namely orange, red, and pink for the concentric strip on the mat. The mat material is also UV resistant and zero stretch type. The size of the mat has 2 choices, 40-inch and 48, that are larger than the conventional mini trampolines. Hence it is the best option for someone who feels they need a larger surface area for the rebounding mat. The rugged steel frame and legs make the trampoline a durable item. The Leaps and Rebounds trampoline is a nice jumping exercise equipment for those who want to increase their physical as well as cardiovascular strength. It brings high results with a low-impact rebounding. The mini trampoline needs minimum assembly that can be done in a few minutes once you unpack the item. The manufacturer provides a 30-day return policy and lifetime warranty.